Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about natural talent when it comes to singing. What can it do for you? What it cannot do? How does it help? Does it help at all? Let's talk about it. I'm going to tell you what I think about it, okay? This is just my opinion. Don't think of it as some sort of truth that you need to follow or anything like that. This is just something that I've come to realize over the years. So what is natural talent? You know who has natural talent? Kids. Small kids. Have you ever noticed how they can do anything they want with their voice and they just do it like that, like it's nothing? They can imitate animal sounds. They have incredible vocal ranges. They can go into these really high registers like it's absolutely nothing. They can do whatever they want with their voice. It's elastic, it's flexible. They can go with power, they can go with range. There's so much resonance, they're so loud, and it's also effortless. How are they doing it, right? Well, that's what it is. It's the natural talent that every single kid has. Now, there are some people out there who don't lose that. Natural singers who will be able to have that kind of ease with their voice also well into their adulthood. Now, for most of us, it doesn't last though. And we have to build our voices almost from scratch as we start to realize, hey, maybe I want to be a singer. For me, I realized that I want to be a singer at 15. And my voice was just rigid, stiff, completely unusable, basically. And I had to teach myself all the things all over again. You know what happens? Puberty, your voice changes. You start being this, grumpy teenager, and you just talk to everybody like that. And leave me alone. And then your voice becomes this rigid thing that's almost unable to move. So you have to relearn many things. And that's where a lot of people find themselves. So does natural talent matter? Yes, it does. I would love to tell you that it doesn't and that everybody can learn to sing in the same way and all that. That's not true. If anybody tells you that, they are lying to you. People who are naturally gifted at singing will always have an easier time. You will never be able to learn to sing as quickly, as effectively, as, like that, as a natural singer. That doesn't mean that you cannot learn to sing. You can. You can learn to do vibrato, you can learn to sing high notes, you can learn to sing low notes, you can learn resonance, you can learn to close your vocal cords correctly, you can learn to use your breath support. You can do all that. You can do all these things and you can become an incredible singer. But if anybody tells you that natural talent does not matter, it does. And it mostly does because it's going to take you time. When we're talking about people who have natural talent, they can just do it. They just open their mouths and bam. Maybe they need a couple exercises here and there, some warm-ups, some workouts of their voice, and they're ready to go. But the rest of us, we need to actually go through the paces. We need to go through the discovery phase, through the learning phase, through the exercise phase, through the training phase, all that. We need to go through all of this, and this can take you years. This can take you literally years. And if you're anything like me and you just simply love it, then you're going to do it because there's no other way for you. You have to do it. It's the only thing that I enjoy. It's the only thing. It's the only thing that makes me happy. So whatever happened, at whatever level I could find myself, I would find a way to progress. And I am still figuring these things out. I'm learning, I'm training still all the time. And so what I want you to realize is that while natural talent matters, and it really helps, it's not necessary. And if you feel like you can never be a singer, that your voice is just not good enough, that really everything is against you. You lack the range, you lack the resonance, you lack vibrato, whatever it might be that you think you're lacking right now, You can get it. It's just going to take you time. Now, I don't know if this is meant to be a motivational video or quite the opposite. But what I want you to take away from this video is that yes, you can learn. You can learn and you can become the singer that you want. It's just that anybody that tells you that natural talent does not matter is trying to probably sell you something. That's just it. But if you stay strong, if you keep at it, if you commit, if you put in the time, if you put in the effort, if you actually focus on what you're doing, if you focus on your goals, yes, you can make it. You can. And with that message, I'm going to leave you now. Like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.